In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy text on Facebook. So if you have seen any text anywhere on Facebook or from a Facebook page and you'd like to copy it and paste it somewhere else, it is pretty much easy to copy and paste the text. The only thing you need to do is to identify the text. For instance, we want to copy and paste this text. To copy it, just go ahead and tap on it and then long press on it, and now you can see text copied to clipboard. Now from here, you can go ahead and paste it wherever you want to paste it. If you want to paste the same text on your timeline, you can now just go ahead and click on your timeline, and then under what's on your mind, go ahead and again long press, then tap on paste. Now you can see it is here. And when you go ahead and paste it, all the text will be now available on your timeline for publication. Go ahead and now post it by tapping on post. And as you can see, it is now on my timeline. Here we go. So that's how you copy and paste text on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.